Okay. So we wrote the code format, and we want to concatenate the fields into a single string. And now we account for a space between the value, and when we have the coded enter, now we're going to go over again. So we have to find function address, add number, street prefix, and we have a street name, and then street type, and then suffix, direction, format, address, stream, add number, and plus a space, add number, and I need a parenthesis, and then street prefix, strip, and plus space, street name, and strip plus a space, and then strip type, and plus a space, and then suffix, direction, and then strip. And we return format address title. Click OK. And there was a failure. Okay. And then let's do it again. Full address field calculator. Click OK. Let's see. Define function address, add number, street prefix, and street name, street type, and then SUFFDIR semicolon. Format address equal format address, okay. String, str, add number, and plus space, okay. Space plus street prefix, strip, alright. Strip. Click OK. Okay, so we have Python, and we have function address, at the number, function number, street prefix, alright, let's see, street type. Street type, suffix, direction, suffix, direction, do we have direction here? Okay, define street, add number, and then street prefix, street name, format address. There is no hint. Let me just copy it, and I'm going to put it into Python. I'm not familiar with the Python. There. Define, okay. String plus this. Okay, street. Okay, here. Street prefix, okay. Street. I didn't put R. Street. Okay, click OK. There was a failure again. Okay. Alright, Control A, Control C. Control C. Let's back in here. Okay, now I do have a street prefix. And let's see, format address. Oh, Sapphire. See. U. Okay. Now it's a lot better to see from here. Strip type, cipher, okay. Alright. Return. Format title. Okay. Click OK. There! Finally! Oh my god. It's just not easy to see the code from here. So, and this worked pretty well, but there was still a problem. So if the string prefix the string is empty, an additional space is added to the output string. And then also extra spaces are added at the end of the output string if direct is empty. So using what you know about the if statements, we're going to try writing the code that will test for this field. So now it's being empty, and then handle the case of what to do if it is empty. So it should have this logic. So before adding to this pseudocode, if the field that string prefix is empty, write the concatenation without this field included. Add a command at the end of the output to strip off blank spaces. If the field string prefix is not empty, we're going to write the concatenation as before with the command added to the strip blank spaces for the end of the string. So now we're going to investigate other Python formatting tools to remove any blank spaces from the value and perhaps to control the capitalization. So we're going to right click on the full address, go to field calculator and click OK. And then we type the code, making sure to use the correct indentation with the if statement. So indent 2 spaces from every command after the df statement. And then 4 spaces for every command to run with the if statement. And then once we're done, we just click OK to test it. And so after this, we will say if string prefix equals to empty, that we will have format. Hit enter. 12. We have format, and then we will say else. Okay. Oopsies, my god. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Else. Indentation is scary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have format. Addresses. So now I have to delete the prefix strip and spaces here. So I have string add number, and then I add string name strip, and then I add a space. But here I will add everything. And then equals. I have a string, add number, plus space, 1 space plus strip prefix dot strip, and plus space plus string name dot strip plus space plus string type dot strip, okay, and plus space plus self-direct dot strip. Okay, and now we have to scroll back here. 1, 2. Okay. And then click OK. Oh, oopsies. So, oh, no. Open. Field calculator. Click yes. Oh, it's gone. Gonna cry. Alright. So, don't cry. What we can do is we will, okay, this should be indent 2. 1, 2, okay. If street prefix equals to space, and then we have format address equals to string, we have add number plus space plus street name dot strip plus street type dot strip and plus, okay, space, okay, type, and then plus the server direct dot strip 1, 2, else. And I have this format thing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, it should be fine. Copy, paste. Oh, this will be a pain. So we have function address, right? And then we have number, prefix, street type, street direction, and parentheses. And for each one, I forgot to put the comma. I need a comma here, and I need another comma here. Need a comma here. Need a comma here. Click OK. Field calculator, yes. Okay. Let's see, what is the issue? Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh. I forgot one line. That's why. Control C, Control A, Control V, click OK. There, it's calculated. Okay. So, we clicked OK. So use the indentation to distinguish the commands for the different parts of the statement. So this example also includes, we use the strip title functions to help with the text formatting. We can see that complex strips can be developed to use in the field calculator. The format also for any strip you write will be the same. Name a function in the expression box along with the fields you want to be using in the script. Define a function in the pre-logic script code box with a Python variable for each field named in the function and write the code to do your processing. Alright, we will look for exercise 1.3. So now the chief would like to export his data to another program for analysis. So let me bring it up. Exercise 1.3. Where